This video takes the next steps. Secure the battery pack with high-temperature tape. Solder joints need to be protected with paper to prevent short circuit. Connect the positive pole of the battery pack to the positive pole of the protection board. Only use silicone wire to connect here. Fix the protective plate with high-temperature tape. Organize the wiring at the same time. The final interior is like this. Put on PVC heat shrink tubing. Heat shrink.